In this video, I'm basically gonna have a second introduction to you about the sheet. So I left you off from the last video from exact match keyword and LSI keywords, and now we're gonna be talking about the HTML codes and the markdown codes and BB code. So you're gonna come across different sites where some of them you're gonna need an HTML code, some of them you're gonna need markdown code, and some of them is gonna be this code here. And what this is trying to do, depending on what the platform is and how it's being used, essentially what it does is it creates a backlink from one site, from that site to another. Let's say there's a blog site that I want to put a comment on. I would basically put this here. I would put it over there, but of course I'm gonna have it differently to where I want the target to be this site here. And what I mean by that is I would basically copy and paste this, and my target URL is basically the thing over here, the URL that I want to give the backlink to. And then the anchor text. The anchor text is basically the words where this website can be clicked. For example, have you ever seen one of those things where it says click here? So in that case, the here button or click here button, or the click here or here words, is the anchor text. So what that will look like is, let's say I want my thing to be known for marketing agency Fullerton. It will actually it's gonna look like this. So I just pulled up an HTML code editor. So you can see this is my code that I put in, and in the preview it's going to be clickable where it says marketing agency Fullerton, and it's clickable to my site. Of course I can't do that here because this is just a preview, but you get the point. So that being said, that's what I want you to do here, where we'll have some kind of target keyword or anchor text, and I want you to cycle for those backlinks with these 14 cycles. And what I mean by that is, in this case, this is a naked URL, and what that means is that, as you can see, there's a little example here. It's gonna be like this. Remove that link there, but it's gonna be like this. The exact match, or your exact keywords, your naked key URL is gonna be your anchor text. So what this will look like, basically, let's go to our little thing again. Assuming that there's gonna be a URL here, your anchor code or your anchor text will be a naked URL. And in this case, the second one is another naked URL, but let's see, let's go to a one that doesn't have it, where the fourth one is generic, where it's more of a click here, our site, or whatever have you. So this could be click here. It's gonna be like this. And of course you can go all the way down here, and let me give you an example for all of them real quick. Hold on. And what that looks like is gonna be like this, as a 14 cycle, and you're gonna just reset from beginning again after you pass the 14-second mark. And I just wanted to say this is the actual order of it, so make sure that I know for the other sites it's gonna have a different order and it's gonna be messed up, but look back into the Max and Media tab one, which is the correct one. Okay, alright, that being said, I think that's all I have for this video.